The last and final exponent rule is page 14. This has every rule, well, almost every rule, all together. So I'm going to do problems 1, 2, and 3 so you are skilled to the best of your ability. You will do the rest of the page on your own. So for number 1, we have a power to a power. We could do this two different ways. We can distribute the 4 to everything inside the parentheses, or we can simplify inside the parentheses and then distribute the 4. I'll do it both ways. I believe that simplifying everything inside the parentheses is the most helpful, and then distributing the 4. So the first we see is x to the 7 times y to the 3rd divided by x squared times y. We know y has an exponent of 1. Because we're dividing, we will subtract our exponents. X to the 7th divided by x squared would simply be, inside our parentheses, x to the 5th. Y to the 3rd divided by y to the 1st will simply become y squared. Because we simplified this already, there is actually no more denominator because everybody got simplified and they all remain in the numerator. It is now being raised to the 4th power. We take 4 and we distribute it to every exponent inside the parentheses. X to the 20th, y to the 8th. That's our final answer. Doing it the other way, we distribute the 4 to every single exponent inside the parentheses. X to the 28th, y to the 12th, divided by x to the 8th, y to the 4th. 28 minus 8 is x to the 20th. Y to the 12th divided by y to the 4th is y to the 8th. You can see no matter which way you decide to simplify, you will get the same answer. Number 2, a to the 3rd times b raised to the 4th power, and a times b to the 6th quantity raised to the 2nd power. Take the 4, multiply it times the 3. Because b doesn't have an exponent, I know there's an exponent of 1. It'll get multiplied again. A has a power of 1, so I'm going to take the 2 and multiply it to the 6 and to the 1. A to the 12th, b to the 4th, a squared, b to the 12th. Using our product rule, we take the bases, which are the same, the letter a, and we will add the exponent, a to the 14th. Then we're going to have with the bases with b would be b to the 16th. Number 3. For this problem, I'm going to simplify inside the parentheses and then raise it to the power. 8 divided by 2 is 4. M to the 5th divided by m to the 1st would be m to the 4th. N to the 7th divided by n to the 5th would be n squared. Because remember, our quotient rule says that when dividing, you'd be subtracting your exponents. This whole entire thing is now being raised to the 3rd power. 4 does not have an exponent, therefore it has an exponent of 1. 3, multiply, multiply, multiply. 4 to the 3rd, m to the 12th, and n to the 6th. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. M to the 12th, n to the 6th. Please complete the rest of the problems on your own.